Oh yeah, I wanted to show a strange effect I've found with this generator. It's running off of a power supply at the top here, running the motor, which I've stuck into place now. Down here I've got a bridge rectifier. Put that in shot. Bridge rectifier. I've got one lead over here running off the AC. I've got one lead over here running to the DC after it's been bridge rectified, and a motor down the bottom here that's going to be connected from an AC lead to a DC lead. Now that's a strange effect that the motor will run, and at the time it did produce more amperage. I'll just show that now, get it started up. That's the motor up and running. As you see, the output's going up. Just there. Now when I dead short the AC, what's going to happen is, as you would expect, it would slow down. You see the motor's running down now, under load, so it won't run. Now I'm going to short out the DC after it's been bridge rectified. Just show it there. And nothing. The power supply has gone to zero. There's the output, sorry. That's disconnected. And there it is connected, with no change in the speed. Now what I found, if I connect the motor across the AC terminal, and so I can just shove the little wire back in place. Yeah, once I connect the motor across the AC terminal, you'll see if it wants to work this time round. There. I don't know if I can get that into camera shot. Yeah, I'm going to connect the motor now, which is the little white lead I've got in my hand. Increase in voltage, amperage output, and it's actually running the motor just down the bottom here. Oh, when it wants to turn. Ah, got it. It's just been a bit of a stiff motor. But yeah, it's I've got some fluctuations because of the vibration. I can just show that. But a real problem with light today. That's without the motor. That's without everything else. The leads come out again. Okay, so that's normal. That's with the motor. That minor increase, and obviously there's been no change in the speed of the motor itself. Again, to show that, it's going to be the AC. Dead short it. Slows down rapidly. This is the DC shorted. No change. And this is with a motor connected, or a short across the terminal of the AC to DC connection. The motor does run most of the time, it just doesn't want to at this point, which is typical. Oh, that should stay there now. A little bitty. Obviously, if I crank the motor, it goes up. When it wants to run, as you don't, try to get speed. Oh, the drive motor is getting a bit hot at this point, so it's slowing down. Yeah, just to show that, so with this generator, the AC shorts and slows down like a normal generator. The DC doesn't slow down, but the amperage drops to 0. And when you connect the AC and DC together, you get an increase in output with no change from the speed of the generator. But on this side, actually, it doesn't do that. Actually, I'll show you that. So it slows down if I connect the AC of the, well, actually no, that's the AC lead to the positive terminal. But if I connect the AC lead to the negative terminal, these two, the AC lead and the negative terminal together, it speeds up. Yeah, that's what I found so far, if it makes sense of anything of what I've just said. Yeah, I'll see ya.